Hi, this is Ranveer Singh,
Hi, I'm Alia Bhatt.
and you are watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.
with the one and only.
Faridun.
Yep.
We have with us two of the biggest stars in Bollywood today right now, Ranveer Singh and Alia Bhatt. Their movie is coming up,
That's
Gully
interesting.
Boy.
That's
And it's a movie
interesting.
that I'm personally really looking forward to, and I hope that we can have like some quality time with them together. Pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hangama.
Hi, Faridun. We missed you.
I missed you as well, and Ranveer as well.
Such a brat.
I love you. No, I was waiting to do this. I was
Yeah,
waiting to do this interview. हाँ.
पूरा हिंदुस्तान ये जानना चाहता है कि ये गुलू गुलू क्या है.
गुलू गुलू.
पूरा हिंदुस्तान जानना चाहता है.
पूछ तो ऐसे रहे हो जैसे आपको नहीं पता.
मेरा जॉब है सवाल पूछना.
अच्छा.
I don't have to add my opinion.
अच्छा, आपको पता है?
मुझे कुछ रेफरेंस, मुझे कुछ कॉन्टेक्स्ट से मुझे पता चल रहा है.
अच्छा, context से पता चल रहा है.
Let's have it from the horse's mouth.
गुलू गुलू मतलब.
You calling her a horse?
Horse's mouth. Like, this is a way of saying it.
है. She is लंबी रेस की घोड़ी.
और dark horse also.
You are not a dark horse.
डार्क हॉर्स का है, हर कोई चाहता है कि आप ओपिनियंस दें.
नहीं गुलू गुलू मतलब you know flirting, being cute,
प्यारी प्यारी मीठी
speaking.
मीठी बातें.
हाँ मीठी मीठी बातें, cute cute बातें, गुलू गुलू बातें. I guess हाँ मैंने बस डायलॉग बोला है मैं.
नहीं, you're right. You're
I'm right.
absolutely right. Yeah.
अब मुझे लगता है कि अब अलबीना की भी खैरियत नहीं है.
अलबिना किधर है तू?
अलबीना की भी खैरियत नहीं है.
जिस तरह से निकली है.
खैरियत नहीं है अलबिना की.
अलबिना.
अलबिना.
True caller part
मल्टा लैंग्वेज में वो ई को
ट्रू
एक
कॉल
कर
इसका
देती
था.
है.
ट्रू कॉल पे दे.
खुन्नस में हाँ
तू रिप्लाई क्यों किया? अलबीना दादर का. ट्रू कॉल आपका था?
ट्रू कॉल. डू यू नो ट्रू कॉल वालों ने आपको ट्वीट किया है?
किया है?
Yes.
Oh,
The True
Dude, I
Caller
use them
app's
like
official
all-
account
Really?
has tweeted saying, "Glad to have been of service to you, Safina." Yeah.
are
I
you
saw it this
serious?
morning, yeah.
Oh my God, that's amazing. हाँ, but ट्रू कॉल बहुत actually बहुत important है.
जी. Alright. So how important is this film for you, considering that this is a complete departure from what you've done in the past two outings, that is Padmavat and Simba. Now you're looking completely different.
Yeah, I mean, every film is important.
Right.
Ultimately, it's a notch in your filmography. It's part of your body of work, your life's work. So every film is important. This is particularly close to my heart for various reasons. It is the coming together of too many things that are very, very special to me. Zoya, as a filmmaker. Alia, my first feature collaboration. The first of what I hope will be many. She being, in my opinion, one of the most special actors of Hindi cinema ever. And Mumbai and its culture,
Right.
and hip hop, all of these things together as one, you know, make it a film that's very, very close to my heart in the true sense.
The way the entire industry, the way the entire country, a lot of your fans all across the world, the way they look up to you now, in terms of that, if Alia is part of any film, that there must be something that one can look forward to. How do you deal with that situation? The expectations जो आपने बढ़ा दिए हैं लोगों की.
I don't know, yeah. To be very honest, like these thoughts don't come to my mind. They only start coming up, you know, like a few days before the release. When at least I do as an actor, sometimes forget that you shoot a film and it has to release also. For me, it's just like fun. Oh, I will do this film, that film also, and then we're shooting it and having fun. And then after some time, it hits you, okay. Then after some time, it hits you that that's going to. Yeah,
Release.
people are going to see it and like it's going to be there and all for people to see. Expectations will be there whether you are doing well or not doing well in life, or whether you're picking good films or not. I mean, I think that's something that also one will have for oneself. But I think I hope that I don't disappoint, and I hope that but I also hope that this expectation thing doesn't ever come in the way of my decisions, because then it'll become a little clinical. Which ain't fun.
No, I mean, that's what you work towards, right? As an actor, you know, you want to stand for that. You want to stand for a certain level of quality,
Right.
in your work, and you want to make excellence a habit. So every project that you're associated with comes with that promise of quality and entertainment. And I very much agree with you. Even I am a Hindi film audience, a Hindi film loving audience, ticket paying audience, and even I believe that if it's Alia Bhatt on the poster, it's a must watch.
Wow. He hasn't said for, I think, any other actress, honestly.
Really?
We have done many interviews.
Look at this face.
So this is, I think, a huge compliment. All right. Coming on to a few of the fun segments, the movie is releasing on Valentine's Day.
Already having fun?
So we have
Games.
Fun
and
this
games.
segment called, it's a quiz. It's called Romantically Yours.
Oh.
Basically based on romantic films in Hindi film industry.
Oh, God.
Okay, and
And some
Romantic.
prize.
so you can
We
win
always
this
looking forward to your
very
prize.
fine
Oh,
chocolates.
buddy.
Oh, fuck.
All right, so
I
I'll
will
keep it there.
fight and fight hard for
Okay.
chocolates.
So the idea is, I'll tell you the rules as well. So I'll give you the question, and there are no options for that.
Oh.
Okay, but questions are really easy.
Okay.
Okay, whoever comes up with first will give it.
Okay, now.
Okay, and if you want a hint, if you get it right, you get 2 points. If you are asking for a hint, and if you get it after the hint, you get 1 point.
Are you going to
Okay.
ask one by one or
Now,
together?
No,
do
no,
you
no.
have to raise your hand? Do you have to make a sound? Do you have to just say it?
Just say it directly.
Just
One
say
by
it.
one?
Just say it. No, 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 not
Little
one
bit
by one.
intimidated
Directly.
because I know Alia's super competitive.
So we're
Right.
playing together.
You're playing together.
Okay.
Right.
Against
so you have to
each
be
other.
quick.
Against
yeah.
each other. you'll be-
Right. Okay, so we have this quiz, Romantically Yours, Alia Bhatt, Ranveer Singh. The first question is, he's the actor who played a musician and the heroine calls him a gush of wind, courtesy his farts.
Aishwarya Rai in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
I said the movie first.
He's the actor.
Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Boom.
Shit.
2 points. 2 points.
2 points. 2 points. 2 points to Ranveer Singh. The hero develops anterograde amnesia. He forgets everything but her.
Ah, Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Shah Rukh Khan.
No.
It's a remake of a Tamil film.
Hai? Gajini. Amir Khan.
She's right. She's right. 2 all. So 2 points, 2 points. The beautiful actor lost her lover to Madhuri Dixit but got a national award for
Karishma Kapoor in Dil To Pagal Hai. Directed by Yash Chopra, also starring Madhuri Dixit and Shah Rukh Khan.
4-2. 4-2.
Beautiful. Okay.
All right, this is very easy as well. This is really easy. She is the most loved bhabhi of all times. Had there been an elevator, she could have still been alive.
Renuka Shahane in
No. हम आपके हैं
Renuka
कौन?
Shahane.
हम आपके हैं
I got
कौन?
it.
He got it.
It's 6-2.
6.
It's 6-2.
But what was the problem? The question was the... Okay, fine.
The question is pretty simple.
Oh, I'm just saying the
Okay,
names.
this is a classic one. The gorgeous courtesan is entombed in the wall as a punishment for falling in love.
Mughal Azam. Madhubala.
She's right. 6-4.
So serious, Alia. You're so intimidating in competitions.
Sorry.
No, please. I love that competitive.
I can't say the same for myself.
Yeah.
I'm
No,
scared
No,
of it.
People
equally.
don't
You
like
are
my
equally
competitive side.
competitive. She was a cricket coach for poor villagers and secretly loved the the village boy.
In Lagan,
Name.
Elizabeth,
Her name we don't know now.
Rose,
Rachel Shelley.
Rachel Shelley.
We'll have to cancel it.
We have to cancel that.
Right. He got letters in lunchbox and that is how...
Irfan Khan.
Irfan Khan. I said
In the lunchbox.
I said Irfan Khan.
I think she got it first, but I'll have to
I
check.
said-
Didn't she
once
say
I said-
Imran?
But then
and
I said Irfan.
said Irfan.
But you said
and then she
lunchbox.
said Irfan.
No, I said
So
Irfan
I
first.
get
No,
it.
it's more of like a
I said
fumbling. Not Imran
Yeah,
Khan.
I
it's
said
like-
Irfan
it's
Khan.
more of a fumbling.
There's a
But
big
let's
difference
have
between
it.
Imran
Let's-
Khan and
Who said
Irfan
it first? She said it first or Ranveer said it first?
She said Imran.
I said Imran, then I
6
said
all.
Irfan.
6.
I said it together. Come
Sporting
on,
spirit, sir. You're the
Sporting spirit, it seems.
cricket.
Talk about competitive spirit.
This one is really easy. Okay.
Gee.
This king of romance wooed his lady love in the lovely locales of Europe and Punjab. This film won total 10 Filmfare Awards and a national award.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे?
She's right. 8-6.
Who's 8?
She's 8. Yeah.
When did you
When
did you take the lead?
6.
We'll go way through.
Okay, this one is really easy, okay? Epic historical romance is based on the life of a Maratha warrior played by...
Bajirao Mastani.
She's right.
How can you get these 2 points? This is my film.
10-6, saving grace. Up. You can still...
How will he win? He'll have to give like
but it's like a saving grace of...
I got confused. I was like, it's going to be Panipat. What's he going
All
to
right.
ask? And she's like, Bajirao Mastani. God damn.
She yearns to become an air hostess while he wants to marry her. The film marks the second installment of a franchisee.
Hey, Badrinath ki dulhaniya.
Yeah, she's right. She knows your films, she knows her own films, and so
Yay!
you'll have to. Yeah,
I think you must present
the
this to
chocolates.
me.
Please remember that sharing is caring.
Babes, you'll only be eating this. You know I'm not eating chocolates. But thank you very much.
All right.
It's winning that counts. It's all
Really.
about winning.
It's all about.
Now you're having Zoya Akhtar. She's a director, and why personally I'm looking forward to the film is because of the subtext. All right, so it's a story about this entire rapper and the world around it. So the family is there, and apart from that, even the lyrics of the songs, I personally am finding it very, very interesting because I think a lot is being said in the lyrics as well. How important is it for you to surrender yourself completely to a director like Zoya Akhtar? Because you always believe in
you'd love it, Faridoon, because you're an aficionado for poetry,
Right.
and you love, you really have true appreciation for writing and that kind of kalakari. And I was actually looking forward to hearing from you what you think of the music and the
that.
lyrics.
I love it.
You're so musically
It's
inclined yourself.
like, when I'm listening to it on my earphones, it's like another level altogether.
So what are some of the songs that really stick with you?
I love Jingostan. I love
Oh.
Azadi.
Fab.
I love Apna Time Aayega. I love.
Wow, look at him,
Jingostan is a
Jingostan
fave
and Azadi,
for
you
some-
rebel you.
I
Yeah,
love
it's quite a, it's
I love it.
Out there choice.
it's an out there choice.
I love it. Yeah, Azadi. I absolutely freak out
Yeah,
every
Azadi is
time
a
listening to it.
brilliant
Yeah. That, to me, Duri is I think is
Yeah, it's
amazing.
lovely.
Duri is outstanding.
Yeah.
The way you've sung a lot of this stuff is really outstanding. You've always wanted
भाई
to do
से
that.
inspire
You've
होके
always
किया
नहीं,
ना
ये this is
भाई
ये तो
ने।
आप पहले हमेशा करना चाहते थे.
नहीं सर, मुझे
Which is-
पता चला कि जो रैप है और जो गायकी है, ये दो बहुत अलग किस्म
जी,
की कला है. मैं रैप कर पाता हूँ लेकिन गायकी मेरी बस की बात नहीं है. ये इनका डिपार्टमेंट है जो गाती हैं. आहा हा हा मैं तेनू समझ तो ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग ये अपने टेलीविजन शो पे गए थे, गाना गाने लगी, मैं तो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट रो
Yeah,
पड़ा.
I think वो उमंग में I think ए दिल मुश्किल भी आपने गाया था.
वो तो पिछले साल था.
पिछले साल वही वीडियो भी देखा मैंने.
पिछले साल.
अच्छा,
हाँ, I keep going and singing other songs because
Others
other
songs.
songs.
Right. No, I think she's
This
tremendous.
time I sang I was.
जी, तो मैं आपसे भी एक सवाल ही पूछना चाहूँगा कि that how important is it for you to just surrender yourself to the director and just make sure that you understand his or her vision?
It's very important because that's my job as an actor to number one surrender, have faith, and really. I mean, it sometimes it doesn't always happen. I've been very fortunate. Is that I really trust my directors and I really understand and connect with their vision. And that's I find myself very fortunate that I've been able to develop that that relationship. And even with Zoe, it was my first film with her, but we instantly connected. And even with kind of painting the character out, it was a 3-day workshop in and out, and then the character was in my mind and heart, and I just had to go and perform it. So surrendering is a part of it, and it's a lot of fun because then you really live the character and those moments. When I finished the film, I was quite sad and all. I was like, play Safina again and all.
The beautiful part is that mar jayega tu. It's amazing. All right, if you can end the interview with a rap from you guys, that would be amazing.
कौन सा rap?
Anything that you want.
Which song you want?
आप क्यों नहीं शुरू करते सर?
I think it's very technical. Hip hop is very
Please
technical.
not,
So you
not learn the lyrics,
Yeah.
not learn the words.
maybe something that you've not sung anywhere else. Maybe rap. With
Yeah, Duri. Why
anywhere.
don't you rap Duri?
Yeah, I think that is really nice.
No,
I'm shy.
I'm feeling shy. How can you be feeling shy?
खड़ा हो कैसे मैं यहाँ पे, अब ना पूछना दर्द शायरी में तुझको चाहिए सबूत क्या. शिखर ये सोच पर जुड़ा हूँ मैं जमीन से, यकीन तुमको ना पर आगे आया मैं यकीन से. लाख नफरतें हो साथ माँ का प्यार है, हंसी है उसकी जीत मेरी कैसे जाऊं हार में. काट लो जुबा आंसुओं से गाऊंगा, गाड़ दो बीज हूँ मैं पेड़ बन ही जाऊंगा.
Fantastic. All right, so thank you very much. And as we had said in the beginning, so two of the biggest stars and two of the nicest people as well. Thank you very much and all the best wishes. Thank you so much.
Faridoon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please enjoy the film.
I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Ranveer Singh
Hi, I'm Alia Bhatt.
and you are watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
with the one and only.
Faridoon.
Yep.